In today's episode, we're covering 5 moves for postpartum moms. These moves will help you reconnect your core, stabilize your hips, and support your spine, all without putting unnecessary pressure on your body. Let's do it. All right, mamas, the first exercise we're gonna do is the pull-off press. We're gonna have the arm right at chest height here. We're gonna stand away from it, pull it out, and then just bring it in and out. And you're gonna wanna make sure this is on the banded setting for this one. It really makes a big difference. What's really great about this exercise is it trains that pelvic floor and that deep core without any crunching. All right, guys, the next exercise is gonna be glute pull-throughs. So we're gonna grab our ropes, and we're gonna just send those hips back. We're gonna keep that spine nice and straight, chest up, and then pull through. You're gonna definitely be feeling the glutes here, as well as your core muscles and your lower back. It's a really great way of stabilizing the spine and working on that load without any injury or risk for the postpartum mom. All right, mamas, next up we've got a seated row. So we're gonna grab onto that T-bar. The knees can be bent or straight, whatever's more comfortable for you, but we wanna make sure we've got a nice little lean here. Knuckles are gonna be up, elbows tucked in, and we're just gonna pull on into that belly button, give it a little bit of a squeeze, focus on those back muscles, and send it out. And this is a really great exercise for our moms, just to prevent a lot of that forward hunching motion that happens when we're nursing or holding on to the baby. So have fun with this one. Our next exercise is gonna be a great core workout. We're gonna do wood chopped here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop the knee and we're gonna come across the body to the opposite hip. So we're gonna take these ropes, pull it on through, taking our time, working that rotation, making sure we're not putting it in the arms and we're using our core. This is a really important exercise for activities of daily living, like picking up those kids and putting them in the car. All right, mamas, next we're gonna do resisted bird dogs. So we're gonna be here on the ground. We wanna get on all fours here and we're gonna go opposite arm and leg. So you're gonna grab on, send the leg out, and anytime we're in this planking position, we wanna make sure we're sucking that belly button into the spine. You're gonna bring it in slow and controlled. Core is all about control, so take your time with this. We're working on those glutes, we're working on that core, all of the really important functions you need for that postpartum recovery. And that wraps things up for our 5 moves for postpartum moms. I know this season can be a lot, so make sure that you're gentle with yourself and you celebrate those wins, big and small. And I'll see you guys next time.